Good morning, dear students. Today I am here with new chapter AC, base and salt. What is AC? It is we are very familiar with these three words: acids, bases and salts. Acids in our day-to-day life, whatever we taste, whatever we feel the salt taste by touching it, and our expressions comes like that. Aha, like this. This is AC. Okay, whatever we think, either you take some curd, some fruit, some anything, mangoes like that. By having it and you feel like that, and you say something like this. This is acids. Okay, any sour taste, souring taste is acid. Just by taking on your lip, and you can find that different taste is sour. Clear? And now we talk about the bases. Bases, when it comes on your mouth, it feels bitter, like that. So this is bitter. Okay. And salt, salt is salty. When you eat samosa, when you eat vegetable, when you eat any kind of recipe, and every recipe is tasteless because in the absence of salt. So salt is very important component in our day-to-day life. Okay. Not only salt, acids are also very important component in our kitchen, in our day-to-day life. We eat fruits, we eat curds, whatever we think, and bases. It is also very important thing. All the fluffy things, fluffy and spongy, it comes with the help of bases. Okay. So in the all baking industry, it is there. So AC, base and salt, it is an important chapter, and it is very related to us in our day-to-day life. So now I think all of you understood about the test. Okay. Another test. Okay. Right. Another, when we touch anything, it is on tongue. Everything we cannot put on tongue directly because it may damage or it may harm to us. So everything we cannot touch directly by tongue. So we should touch it first. When we touch acid, it feels corrosive on skin. Okay, right? It feels corrosive. So you feel some burning sensation, some different sensation that shows that it is an acid, right? So it is by touching we can identify it is corrosive in nature. Now, when we think anything is slippery, soapy, it is bases, right? The thing which is very slippery like this, then we can say it is soapy. So very simply we can say whatever of the soap we use on our body while we are taking bath, it is soap and it is bases, right? So it is also part of our day-to-day life. Without soap, it is difficult to clean our body, clean our clothes. So it is very also important. So, and salt is the adjectives. We can test, we can find out with just by touching. We can differentiate either it is salt or it is sugar. Whatever we think, we just touch it. We just need to touch, and by this we can find out the difference between by the taste or by the touch. Right? Now, it is very important that we should not suppose if we don't know whether it is AC, whether it is base, whether it is normal water, then what we will do. So it is better to test by litmus paper. It is made by lichens. Okay, we will discuss it about later. But we have two types of litmus paper. That one is blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Red is a sign of danger. Everywhere it is written. You have shown that whenever we see the red light or red things, it means that we have to stop. Something danger is there. So when we put blue litmus paper in any solution and it turns into red. Okay, when we put blue litmus paper in any solution and it turns into red, then it must be it must be acid. It must be acid. So stay away. And if we put red litmus paper, if just suppose if we put red litmus paper and it turns into blue, then it must be basis, right? So by this litmus paper test we can identify whether it is acidic or basic. Okay, and many natural indicators are there. China rose is there, turmeric is there. So many of things are natural indicators are also can identify whether the substances or the things or the solution is acidic or basic. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day to all.